The pickup truck market in 2026 is more competitive and more confusing than ever. With electrification accelerating, diesel options shrinking, and turbocharged engines replacing traditional V8 South, buyers are left asking one simple but critical question. Which gas truck engine is actually worth buying today? Here's the truth. Most marketing won't tell you. Not all engines are created equal. Some are built for durability and real-world performance. Others are designed to meet emissions targets, inflate spec sheets, or cut production costs off at the expense of long-term reliability. After analyzing real-world data, ownership reports, mechanic feedback, and engineering design principles, one gas engine clearly stands above the rest in 2026. And just as importantly, there are three types you should strongly consider avoiding. The Ford 7.3L Godzilla V8 if you want an engine that delivers proven durability, simplicity, and long-term confidence. The answer is clear. The Ford 7.3L Godzilla V8, used in heavy-duty trucks like the Ford Super Duty lineup. This engine represents something rare in today's market. An engine designed for longevity, first not just efficiency or emissions compliance. Why it stands above the rest. 1. Simplicity that actually matters. Unlike modern turbocharged engines, the Godzilla is naturally aspirated. No turbos, no intercoolers, no complex boost systems. That means fewer failure points and fewer expensive problems down the road. Expert insight. Most long-term engine failures today come from added complexity, not core engine design. 2. Proven pushrod design. Ford went with a pushrod of architecturod, often criticized as old school. In reality, it's a major advantage. Fewer moving parts, stronger, more compact engine block, decades of proven reliability. This isn't outdated engineering, it's refined durability. 3. Real-world torque, where it counts. Truck owners don't need high-revving horsepower. They need torque at low RPM. The 7.3L delivers exactly that. Better towing performance, less engine strain, improved long-term durability. Built for abuse, this engine was designed for heavy-duty commercial use, cast iron block reinforced internals, cooling systems built for sustained load. Unlike many modern engines, it's engineered for continuous stress, not just short bursts of performance. 5. Lower long-term ownership costs because it avoids unnecessary complexity. Maintenance is simpler, repairs are cheaper. Fewer major components fail over time, over 5 to 10 years. This matters far more than small fuel economy gains. If you care about reliability, longevity, real towing performance, lower long-term costs, the Ford 7.3L Godzilla V8 is the safest and smartest gas engine choice in 2026. 1. Small turbocharged 4-cylinder engines on paper. They look great, strong power, good efficiency. In reality, they're often overworked and overstressed in truck applications. Key problems: high internal pressure and heat, increase wear over time, turbocharger failure risks, poor real-world fuel economy under load verdict. Fine for commuting, not for serious truck work. These engines deliver impressive performance, but at a cost. Complexity. Why that matters? Twin turbos equals more failure points, higher heat equals faster wear, expensive long-term maintenance. Many owners report great performance early on, increasing issues after approximately 100,000 kilometers verdict. Good for short-term ownership, risky for long-term reliability. Designed to improve fuel economy by shutting off cylinders, but it comes with common issues: lifter failures, camshaft damage, oil system complications. The constant switching between modes can also lead to vibration uneven, where expert insight. Many mechanics consider this one of the most failure-prone modern engine features. Verdict: efficiency gains aren't worth the reliability risks. Forget the marketing hype. Focus on what truly matters. 1. Simplicity. Simpler engines last longer and cost less to maintain. 2. Thermal stability. Cooler running engines experience less wear and longer oil life. 3. Low-end torque at low RPM is what makes a truck useful. 4. Proven design. New tech is exciting, but proven engineering is reliable. Final verdict. In a market full of complex over-engine, one engine stands out by doing the basics better than anything else. The Ford 7.3L Godzilla V8. It delivers proven durability, strong real-world performance, lower long-term costs, simpler. More reliable engineering. Meanwhile, 3 engine types raise serious concerns. Small turbocharged 4 cylinders, high output turbo V6 south, cylinder deactivation V8 south. Closing thought: the truck market is evolving fast. Electrification and hybrids are on the rise. But if you still want a gas-powered truck you can trust for years to come, the best choice is surprisingly simple. Choose the engine that does it better.